I am going to unlock my door. I have a hotel lock here, classroom door lock, and it's locked right now. So I got to unlock it and then relock it again. I just bought a brand new door lock a month ago, but no worries. It's still on the exact same key as before, so the landlord will still be able to get in case if there's ever an emergency, like if they need a spec. Now we're inside, and it's locked. Close the door. See you later. And I really like my carpet. It's nice and warm, nice and warm. Nice and warm. It's just